So today we'll run through the sum formula in Excel. Sum is probably the most common formula used in Excel. Why would you want to use sum? Well, let's say we have an invoice listing, like the one in rows 2 to 13. And we wanted to find out what the total net value of all of these invoices was. What I've seen some accountants do is click on every cell, do a plus symbol, and continue doing that throughout the entire listing. As we can see, this takes quite a long time and can be prone to error. It does get us the total value, but it's a long way to go about it. Slow, inefficient, and not very productive. The other thing I've sometimes seen happen is people actually type out the numbers. This is even worse, because if any of these numbers change, you'd have to go back into the cell and edit it again. We're not going to do that. The best way to find the total net value of all the invoices in this listing is to use the sum formula. Using the sum formula is really simple. You start with an equals sign, type sum, S-U-M. You can do it in lowercase or uppercase, either will work. An opening bracket, and then you simply want to click where you want to start the sum, and then drag down to all of the other numbers you want to sum. This will create a range of the cells that you want. It's G3 colon to G13. You then close your sum with the closing brackets, and then you get the total net value.